2 days past 18, he was waiting for the bus in his army green, sat down in a cafe there, gave his order to a girl with a bow in her hair. He's a little shy, so she give him a smile, and he said, would you mind sitting down for a while, talking to me, feeling a little low? She said, I'm off in an hour and I know where we can go. So they went down and they sat on the pier. He said, I bet you got a boyfriend, but I don't care, I got no one. Send a letter to. Would you mind if I send one back here to you? I cried, never gonna hold the hand of another guy too young, a renegade soldier waiting for the love of a traveling soldier. Our love will never end, waiting for the soldier to come back again, never more to be alone. When the letter said a soldier's coming home. So the letters came from an army camp in California, then Vietnam, and he told her of his heart might be in love and all of the things he was so scared of. Said when he's getting kind of rough over there, I think of that day sitting down in the pier and I close my eyes, see your pretty smile. Don't worry, but I won't be able to ride for a while. I cried, never gonna hold the hand of another guy too young, a renegade soldier waiting for the love of a traveling soldier. Our love will never end, waiting for the soldier to come back again, never more to be alone. When the letter said a soldier's coming home. One Friday night at a football game, the Lord's Prayer said and the anthem sang, a man said, folks, would you bow your heads for listen local Vietnam dead? They cried all alone under the stand was a piccolo player in a marching band, a woman named Red, who nobody really cared, but a pretty little girl with a bow in her hair. I cried, never gonna hold the hand of another guy too young, a renegade soldier waiting for the love of a traveling soldier. Our love will never end, waiting for the soldier to come back again, never more to be alone. When the letter said a soldier's coming home.